Chess ratings and titles explained. Chess titles can be pretty confusing, especially because they can vary depending on the organization that is granting them. Here's an idea of what it means to be a master, a grandmaster, or any of the other important titles that can be given on strong players. Expert and class titles. Many players will refer to themselves as being a Class A, Class C, or expert chess player. These titles are based entirely on ratings, and are, for the most part, very informal. Most players refer to the title that their current rating belongs in, although some, particularly those that once reached the expert level, will refer to themselves by their peak class. These class titles are usually considered to correspond to the following rating ranges. Expert, 2000 to 2199. Class A, 1800 to 1999. Class B, 1600 to 1799. Class C, 1400 to 1599. Class D, 1200 to 1399. Class E, 1000 to 1199. The United States Chess Federation, USCF, now also offers norm-based classes, which are granted based on tournament performances as a sort of lifetime achievement recognition. What are chess titles? Chess titles are titles awarded to players based on their skill, performance, and rank. A player who has earned a chess title is often referred to as a titled player or by their actual title, for example, Grandmaster. Chess titles are awarded by governing chess bodies and federations. The most prestigious titles are conferred by FIDE, while national federations, like US Chess, also have their own titles. If a player has a title, they are extremely strong players and are likely a master. All of the top players in the world are grandmasters, GM, but there are many titles before attaining the GM title. All of the top players in the world are GMs. Why are chess titles important? Chess titles indicate the strength of the best players and quickly display the differences between the various types of masters. For example, if you are watching Titled Tuesday and see a National Master, NM, playing a Grandmaster, GM, you would know from the players' titles alone that the GM is the favorite to win the game against an NM. Only titled players may compete in Titled Tuesday. One of the many benefits of becoming a titled player is that you get to play in Titled Arena and Titled Tuesday. Some of you may be asking, well, what are the different titles? Let's find out. What are the different chess titles? As mentioned, FIDE awards the most prestigious chess titles. Once earned, these titles are held for life. Here are the 8 titles that FIDE awards. Grandmaster. The highest title awarded in chess, aside from the title of World Champion, is the title of Grandmaster. In order to achieve this title, a player must reach an established classical or standard FIDE rating of 2500 and earn 3 Grandmaster norms in international competition. International Master. The International Master, IM, title is the second most difficult title to attain. To earn this title, a player must reach an established classical or standard FIDE rating of 2400 and achieve 3 international master norms in international competition. FIDE Master. The FIDE Master, FM, title is earned by any player who achieves a classical or standard FIDE rating of 2300 in international competition. No norms are required. Candidate Master. The Candidate Master, CM, title is earned by any player who achieves a classical or standard FIDE rating of 2200 in international competition. No norms are required. Woman Grandmaster. The Woman Grandmaster, WGM, title is exclusive to women and is earned by achieving an established classical or standard FIDE rating of 2300 as well as 3 WGM norms in international competition. Woman International Master. The Woman International Master title is exclusive to women and is earned by achieving an established classical or standard FIDE rating of 2200. 3 norms are required for the WIM title. Woman FIDE Master. The Woman FIDE Master title, WFM, is exclusive to women and is earned by achieving an established classical or standard FIDE rating of 2100. No norms are required. Woman Candidate Master. The Woman Candidate Master, WCM, title is exclusive to women and is earned by achieving an established classical or standard FIDE rating of 2000. No norms are required. It is important to note that women can earn any title, whether or not it is a woman's title. In cases where a player has earned more than one title, for example, M and WGM, it is up to the player to determine which title they use. It is also worth mentioning that some of these titles, for example, CM, WFM, and WCM, are awarded for strong results in a national or international event and not solely by the rating criteria above. Chess titles are also awarded by national federations. US Chess, the Chess Federation of Canada, the English Chess Federation, the New Zealand Chess Federation, and other national federations award the title of National Master, NM. Most of these federations use a ratings-based system where the NM title is awarded upon reaching a 2,200 rating, although some federations differ.